Welcome to the channel again. This is Isan Kos from Kos Trading, and today we have the beautiful Beocenter 2, and we're gonna do another deassembling process of this unit. And this unit is designed by the famous designer David Lewis. Is the doors, the butterfly doors, is made in aluminium. You have this beautiful display and the touchpad and also the wheel to control the volume, and you also have the button to control the unit's options on the display. The Beocenter 2 is present in 2004 and it's weigh around 4.5 kilograms. The input is only master unit input, and we also have a mini jack input, and this one is one of the neo versions, is 21 series, and that's a good sign. Welcome to the channel again. I hope you enjoy my videos, and I hope also you follow my channel. If you don't do it, follow my channel. There's many videos is coming about Bang Olufsen products, so I'll appreciate if you can follow the channel and also maybe give me a comment if you liked it, the video. And yes, we need to unlock the butterfly wings. The way we're gonna do it is turn the unit down. At the bottom there is some hinges we need to put down. Then we can remove the doors. After we remove the doors, we can engage with the product, remove all the parts, the laser unit, the clamp unit, and also one of the reasons there is a common problem with the Beocenter 2, where the unit is opening, and when you press load, the loading mechanism start, and the loading mechanism open the doors. The clamp is going up and automatically goes down and close it again. There's a belt you need to change, and I will also show you how to change it. So today we're gonna learn some new things. I've done it before, not on video, but I've done it many times. So stay tuned. We're gonna deassemble it and see under the hood on Beocenter 2. So let's begin. So let's start. Safety first. And as I said before, turn the Beocenter upside down, and there's two screws we need to focus on. There's the two. The screws we need to turn it 180 degrees clockwise, counterclockwise, and we need to release them so we can pull up the keypads. So let's do that. Sometimes it's not working, but try to fill the way, and let's try to do it. That's enough. Let's try it now. Oh, here we go. And let's try to remove it. Sometimes it won't, and here we go. And be careful, there's a cable attached to this aluminium keypad, so be careful not to bend it. So I think you can also see it in this way. Here we go. Here we go. The door is released. So as you can see, remove the cable, and here we go. And here we have the PCB 8 attached to the keypad. We're gonna put this one aside, and we still need to unlock this one. I can see there's some issues with it, so let's try to sometimes it's very tricky to do it, and other times it's very easy. Still stuck. Let's try again. Sometimes you also need to adjust this one. Let's try to see it now. Here we go. Oh. Can be a little bit tricky, but just check your time. There we go. And here we have the other keypad, and this is the PCB board 7. And we're gonna put this one aside. So here we have the Beocenter 2 without the butterfly keyboard wings. So let's try to remove the display, and we can keep going to remove the mechanism. And as you can see, there is a CD on, so we also need to remove that. And here we have the mechanism to release the door mechanism. Let's start to remove the display. We have finally removed all the screws for the display part, and let's try to check it up and see how it's connected. Just be careful, remove the screws first. And also I have seen different versions. Some of the first release of the Beocenter 2, I have seen many type of Beocenter 2. There is sometimes is difference in the display part. That's also very interesting. So let's try to remove the cables. First one and the second one. And here is the display part, and this is the PCB. I think we can see it here. No, I will put on the display what PCB part this is, and we're gonna put this one aside. So next step will be removing the I think let's try to remove the clamper mechanism. Yeah, otherwise, yes, let's try to remove the screws and see what's if we can remove this plastic part. Let's try to remove this plastic part first. So I'm gonna speed up the process again. Here we go, and let's try to lift it up. If we can remove the CD first. Here we go. No, I think we also need to remove these two screws. So we're gonna continue. Here we go. We have removed the screws. Let's try to lift it up. Oh, remove this one and this one. And here is the clamper mechanism for Beocenter 2 with the motor and the clamper. And here's the belt function. And I'll put this aside. So next step will be remove this one. And here is the tray for where's the CD sitting with the clamper. And we're gonna put this one aside. So and here is the belt function for opening the butterfly wings for the Beocenter 2. And next step will be removing all the screws from each side. So I'm gonna do that. So we have finally removed all the screws on each side. I think we just can lift it up. And here we go. And here we go. Here is the belt mechanism part to opening and closing the butterfly wings. And we're gonna put this aside. So if you have some problems with the door mechanism and the clamper function, where you press load and the door wings open and the clamp function open and automatically is going down again, you need to change this belt. It's right here. So this is the reasons why the clamp function is working properly. I also seeing adjusting these two screws can also help with the problem, but the main reason is change this belt. So just change it with the new ones and replace it and put all the parts together again. It's just located here, put the belt here and put it on. It's so simple and so easy. So this is two reasons why the door mechanism is not working properly. And I think we just need to continue to remove all the screws. We need to remove all these screws here. So I'm gonna continue to do that. We have finally removed the screws for the chassis plate. And let's try to lift it up. No, I think we also need to remove these gearing. Here we go. This is the gearing for the door mechanism and the belt. And here is the belt number if you need that. If you can, yeah. If you're gonna use this belt number. Gonna put this aside. So let's also try to remove the motor for the clamp mechanism. And here is the last screw is out. Just lift it up. And here is the motor, small one. Gonna put this one aside. And remove the screws. I think maybe we can lift it up. Here we go. Do not damage the cables. Here we go. This is the chassis. Here we go. I'm gonna put this one aside. And here we have the main brain and the main board, laser unit, and I think also this is the decoder part. So let's try to remove this part I think there's only one screw, and let's try to remove that first. Here we go, the last screw is out, and let's try to remove the cables. I think we just can pull it out, and this one we need to lift it up, remove it. This one is, I think we can remove it from here, and this one also from here. Oh, this one has some locking to it. Here we go. And here we go. I think this is the PCB board. I'm not sure. I think this is 78. And I think this is the decoder or something like that. I'm not quite sure, but I will put the part number and the name on display of this video. So we're gonna put this one aside. So let's try to remove the complete mainboard from the unit, and we just need to, let's try to remove this cables. Here we go, and also on this side. Go, and here we have I think this one is the sensor. This cable is for the door mechanism on each side. I'm gonna put this one aside, and let's try to remove the cables. No, here we go, and this one, and yeah. So let's remove all the screws from the PCB board 2 for the main board with the laser unit on. And the last screw is out, and we can finally remove I think we can just lift it up. Let's try to remove, here we go. Let's remove the screws. Let's try to just drop them down. Here we go. And here is the main board. And the main board normally comes with the laser unit on. The laser unit is beautiful placed like this. I'm not removing the laser board. It's coming with the main board normally, but let's keep it at this like this. So as you can see, the master unit input, the 3.5 mini jack input, the laser unit, and this complete main board. Gonna put this one aside, and we also have the bracket for the inputs like this. So let's try to bring all the parts at the table. We're actually done. There's only this one left. There's the back chassis for the Beocenter 2. And it's like this. And this is with the bad material where it gets sticky. So let's try to bring all the parts at the table and take a look at them. We have finally removed all the parts. I'm thinking to bring all the parts at the video. The first one, the back chassis of the Beocenter 2. And the inside chassis inside the Beocenter 2, where is all the mechanism is driving through, and here is the locking mechanism. to remove the doors. I'll put this one aside. Here we have the door itself with the PCB board inside in aluminium. Here is the display. Here is the gearing and the belt for the door mechanism to open up. And this is the chassis plastic part for inputs. This motor drives the clamper motor. And we also have the mechanism for the door itself to open up and close. We have the clamper unit. We also have the cables for through the main board to the doors, for the buttons and also for the wheel. And here we have a board. I don't know what this is about, but I'm gonna put a description in the video. And I think this is the PCB board 78. And here we have the plastic tray. And the last one will be the main board, PCB board 2, with the laser unit on, and also with the microphone. And here is the input board. So thank you for watching this video about the Beocenter 2. I hope you learned something, and I hope you can use this video to repair your Beocenter 2. If you like this video, like the video and subscribe to my channel. And we also I also show you, if you have a problem with your door mechanism where the clamper function is going up and down automatically when you press the load button, and you need to change the belt where is the belt is attached to this motor. So thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel again if you don't subscribe it, and have a nice day and take care.